Hello everybody and welcome to this very first introductory or overview session on IPOS printers. Now before we go into the printers, let me tell you something about the company IPOS Print Private Limited. IPOS is Print Private Limited is an Indian subsidiary of Unitech POS Systems, which is a Ukraine-based point of sale design and manufacturing company. Unitech has more than 25 years of experience in designing its own brand of POS peripherals. So with these models, Unitech wants to enter the Indian market, and specifically they came out with these new design of POS systems. Now let's take a look at these models. Now this is what we call the docking station range of POS systems. As you can see, it has the thermal printer inside it, and it has a stand or a docking station where you can attach your tablet. The stand itself can expand to 10 inches. So you can have anywhere from 7 to 10 inches a tablet connected to this particular stand. Now this particular stand is also available in the other two models as well. So this is just kept it here for display. Of course, as I said before, this is the typical 2-inch thermal printer, and then you have the paper inside it. Right. So the first model that we're looking at here is a Bluetooth only model, and this one has been tested with a lot of POS softwares in India. Name a few: FIsoft, Gopal Systems, R&R. Just some of the names that I could think on the top of my head. Accusol. Right. So it will work with any POS system that is based out on Android. And right now these systems are compatible only with Android-based POS systems. Of course, in the future we'll plan to come out with products that are compatible with both Windows and iOS. Right. So let's take a look at the design. This is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the side. Right. From the back, this is the power connection, and then you have an RS-232 port for connecting your weighing scales. Now all in all, it's a very lightweight design. It weighs less than a kilogram, and hence it's very easy to work with. So moving on to the one in the middle, looks exactly like the Bluetooth only model, with the difference that it has multiple ports in it. Now this one doesn't have Bluetooth in it, but it has got these multiple ports. Ethernet, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports, and then you have an RS-232 port as well. So this particular model can actually connect peripherals like even a USB barcode scanner. You can try your keyboard and mouse in here as well. And then of course, using the Ethernet, this is something that will connect your POS system to the LAN as well, and to the back office, the POS back office that you might have. Now the one thing that you want to understand here is that the system works with bidirectional RS weighing scales only. Now most of the big name companies like CAS would have that kind of an interface, and we have tested it with the big name companies like CAS, and it works fine. So the only caveat here is that if you do not have a bidirectional weighing scale, that you'll have problems with connecting to this printer. All right. Okay, moving on to the last model, which is like a big brother. As you can see, it has a bigger 3-inch printer in it, right, and is a little bulkier because of the 3-inch printer that you have inside. Now this is how it looks from the side. If you look at the back, it has a 5-inch VGA display also, which will face the customer, and by default it will show you the product information, the weight, and the product type. You can also try and play certain advertisements and promo on it for the customer to look at. Now again, at the bottom you have multiple ports. You have the power, then you have the Ethernet port, you have the USB client, the USB host ports, various USB ports, of course the RS-232 port as well. So this model can also enable Bluetooth. All you need is a Bluetooth dongle here to connect to. So the moment you connect that, this particular model will be available on Bluetooth as a available device to pair with it as well. Okay, so this is a very brief overview of the 3 models that we want to launch in India. We are looking for system integrator partners to integrate with. We have already tied up with a couple of good name POS application software providers in the Andhra Pradesh, Mumbai, and also the Gujarat region. So we want to just expand and fully present to our customers a unique and a very lightweight and as well a cost efficient solution for their POS needs. That's it for now. Thanks a lot.